Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Time and this is Mr. Chicken. He's very excited. He wants to show you the hat which we made. Yes, it's a tiny top hat. It's very good for parties and such and soirees, and it's very good for doffing. You can doff your hat to people. I doff my hat to you. I doff my hat to you. Yes, and this is also very good for chickens as well. They like wearing it as well, yes. Yes, Mr. Chicken, you look very, very smart. Get on with the video. Okay, no problem. Here we go. Well, Mr. Chicken, did you enjoy that? Yes, me too. They can make them in different colours and different sizes. Yes, of course they can. Yes, yes. Now, if you wanted to, you could always put a bit of string on there. Keep it around your head. Yeah, or if you got a hair clip, yes, you could clip it to your hair. Yeah, or you could just put it on a chicken. Or an action man. Or a Barbie. Whatever you like. Have fun. See you later. Bye. Bye for Mr. Chicken too. Yes. Yes, I know. We're going to make some more. Yes, we're going to cover them all. We're going to give everybody a hat. Yes. Yes.